Hello.
Yes.
Oh, hi, Miss Bonner. How are you doing? This is Donnell.
Uh-huh.
Hey, yeah, I couldn't hear you at all. So, yeah, wanted to touch base on Bayless Avenue. So you did say that you had a family member currently living there. Now, when is their lease up?
Uh, March 31st, they're going to be out.
March 31st. Okay, so that's no problem. Yeah, we're not in the business of kicking people out or anything like that. So, we'll let them see out the lease.
Well, I mean, the lease is over with. I just had to give Section 8 a notice so that they could get them another place.
I see. Okay, nice. All right, and I see that you were asking right around 65. I'm really close. I looked at the area, so I'm seeing what's selling. So, all right. So just a little bit more about ourselves. So we buy as is. We pay all the closing costs. So you don't have to pay any recordation taxes or transfer taxes, anything like that. We take care of all of that. And then we usually generally close in 30 days. So 30 days or less. It depends on your jurisdiction, how long title work usually takes. It varies from different towns. So we were in a bunch of different towns. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that. And then any other questions for me?
No, not right. Tell me your name because I get a zillion calls a day as far as
Yeah,
people trying to buy, and so I just don't even answer the phone.
I
You can just
understand.
call from a steady number. And what is your name again? And
My
if
name
you
is
just say your name.
my name is Donnell. You spell it Donell, and
Okay.
my company's Blueprint. One word, Blueprint, just like blueprints.
You say Blueprint?
Yeah, Blueprint.
Okay.
All right.
All right, I'm writing this down because, like I said, I never answer my phone anymore because that's all you get are
And
calls. Calls.
by the way, just for the future, you can put up your number on the FTC. You may have already done that, Federal Trade Commission, so that people can reach out to you.
Okay, and that's what I need to do because it gets unbearable.
I understand. I'm sorry about being one of those people, but luckily I got to talk to you.
Okay. All right. So, like I said, the lease is already up. We've just been going month to month for probably 3 years now,
I
and
see.
but she actually has an appointment with Section 8 tomorrow for an emergency move, and so I'm
Okay.
going to take her down there. Unfortunately, we snow everywhere here in Memphis, but I'll just deal with that, and as soon as they say that they got her a place, but now her lease is up, and she's going to have to stay with her mom or whomever she's going to stay with after March 31st.
Yeah. I mean, if we come to an agreement and we close before then, I mean, we'd at least let her see out her lease. So, that wouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
Yeah, that
And
wouldn't be a.
again, like I said, she's not under a lease. I just gave her that long to get out. And
I
if she
see.
has to, she will have to just move with her mom and pack up everything. I've been working really closely with her, trying to, get her boxes and get all that stuff and get her in the right mind frame of moving. And so
Yeah,
she's about ready. And she actually called me today and was like, "Are you still going to take me down, even though it's probably 6 inches of snow, to make sure that I can take her down to Section 8?"
yeah,
But which is fine. And like I said, we'll just assume, and I'll just stop taking calls from everybody else because everybody is calling about properties, as you know.
I know, I know. Everyone wants a good deal. I'm in Maryland, so it's snowing here, but it's not sticking to the ground right now, which is good. Um,
Oh, it's horrible here, and we're not used to snow, and so we've got wrecks all over the place, and we've got
yeah,
a mess. And so anybody that's out is crazy, and I guess I'll be crazy tomorrow for taking her down to Section 8.
yeah. It definitely sounds like Memphis wouldn't be prepared for a snowstorm at
Not at
all.
all. The most they've done is put liquid salt on the streets, and that's like as soon as the snow hits it, it's washed away. So it's
Yeah,
pretty bad down here.
yeah. Well, I hope it gets better. So, and yeah, the weather's here to stay. That's what it looks like because the South has been going through some rough changes. If you look at Texas, Kansas, so I definitely think snow is here to stay, and they should definitely be prepared. But, anyways, back to my offer. I'm really close. Like I said, we're paying all the closing costs. I'm right at 59K for this property. You can close in 30 days. How do you feel about that offer?
I mean, I guess that's okay since I'm just which is fine. I've had a higher offer, but which everybody tell me you don't go by how somebody sound on the phone. But I think I've talked to you longer and more than I've spoken with anybody.
Yeah.
And
Oh, I
and
appreciate that.
and so that sounds good. And I'm just just gonna. Are you gonna wait until March 31st, or when do you want to close, or just how do you want to do that?
Oh no, we'd like to do it right away. I need an email for you. Are you tech savvy? Do you use your email?
Yeah, I do all the time. Is you ready?
Yep.
It's PA,
Uh huh.
all small, BONNER,
Your last name. Got it.
the number 2,
Mhm.
at hotmail.com.
At Hotmail. Okay, so we'll send you a purchase agreement. You can review it. I can follow up with you maybe Wednesday. That'll give you enough time to review it. And then we'll go from there. So how it works is once we get a signed contract from you, we send it to the title company. There will be a local title company they'll reach out to you, and then either a local one or someone that already works in Tennessee. We have people who are licensed in multiple states. All title companies are insurance agents. They insure the title to your home. So yep, they'll reach out to you and kind of walk you through the process of it's all going to entail and everything like that. And if you have any questions throughout the process, I'll be here. I have two other partners. Their names are Jack and Alex. So if either of those people reach out to you, I'll probably be on the call just to introduce you to make sure you're comfortable with them. But yeah, I'll kind of hold your hand through the process to make sure you're comfortable. So yeah, I appreciate your time. I'm happy that we're about to do business, and if you have any other questions, just let me know.
Have you ever dealt with EDCO title here, EDCO?
EDCL? No, I have not, but we could use them if you like to.
Yeah, it's EDCO, EDCO. And that is who I normally deal with all of my properties.
Okay.
And
All right.
they're
That's
very
fine by me.
reputable, and they do a lot of title work here. So
Okay, that's fine by me. We'll definitely send this over to them. So I'll get the purchase agreement over to you by what time is it in Memphis right now?
it is 401.
4:01. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get that over to you by 5 p.m. your time. Sound good?
Okay, that sounds fine.
Sounds good. Have a blessed one. Bye bye.
You too. Bye-bye.